Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be reviewing 3 products from the Fenty hair care line that address some of my personal hair concerns. Before I jump into this video, this is the very first review of a hair care line and hair product. So I do want to introduce you to my hair type and talk about all of the things I look for in hair care. But I do want to say I am fairly new to getting into hair care, and this collection has taught me a lot about my own personal hair concerns, my needs. So much to talk about with these products, and I'm very excited to talk about them. The 3 products that I got to try out are the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo, which retails for $29. The Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner, which retails for $29. And then the Home Curl Curl Defining Cream, which retails for $28. I've been using these hair products for the past 2 weeks, and I've already conducted a trial of them. I did also do a check-in that I will place in after the first time I use the entire hair line. When it comes to my personal hair type and my personal hair concerns, I do have curly hair. For years, I tried to use volumizing products because I was never taking care of my hair properly, I feel like. And within the past 3 years, I started incorporating more deep moisturizing products for my hair, and it was a complete game changer for me. Before this, I was using just anything I could find at the drugstore that was more curl defining, and with some products like that, I found that they would leave either a film on the hair, which may work for some people. With this video, it is coming from my perspective and my personal hair. With me, I just didn't like something that was too greasy. I liked my hair to be shiny, but I liked a very balanced but moisture leaning product when it came to what I looked for with my curly hair. I think that this collection has helped me realize my hair is definitely more on the normal to dry side, and I will talk about that deeper as I share my experience with using these products. I'm personally someone who washes my hair 2 to 3 times a week, just depending on what I'm doing. It all depends on if I'm gonna be outside a lot. Right now it is the summertime and I sweat a lot, so I do wash my hair a little bit more frequently, but I like to balance it with very nourishing products, and I found that to be true with all 3 of these products. I'm gonna talk about each product individually, and then I also want to talk about using this line together. The reason I opted for these 3 hair treatments was because I really love curling creams. I wanted a deep moisture conditioner to see if it would be too moisturizing for my hair, and then the shampoo is just a universal product. With the trajectory of Fenty Skin and Fenty Beauty, I'm sure that Rihanna is going to release so many more hair care products, and I can't wait to see what they come up with next, but I am glad that they opted for a more universal approach to hair care. The moisture shampoo and the moisture conditioner seem to be very universal products. I opted for the Richer moisture conditioner because I do have more dry hair, but I am glad that they provided options for everybody that you could use every day or whenever you feel like your hair is more dry. There really aren't many rules with these products that I have seen, and so let's dive into the review of the Fenty hair care collection. Starting off with the shampoo, I really fell in love with this product because of the rich, luxurious lather that it delivered to my hair. Something I've hated with other shampoos that I have used is, one, some of the more moisturizing shampoos seem to just disappear whenever I am using it, but with this shampoo, it seemed to lather up really nice, provide a nice moisturizing feel to the hair without leaving any greasy film or residue whatsoever. At first, I was noticing a little bit of a film, but I honestly think it was just coming from the previous shampoo that I used, because I don't remember what brand it was, but I was trying a shampoo from the drugstore that was extremely affordable, and it did great things for my hair, but after using this shampoo, I really don't see myself going back. It is really worth it in my opinion because Rihanna has incorporated a lot of great ingredients in all of her products to moisturize and nourish your hair while also giving it a nice clean feel. It is not stripping whatsoever. I feel like that you could really control the level of moisture that you get from this product when applying conditioner because it is kind of just a neutral shampoo. It is wonderful to balance the hair in my opinion. As someone with more dry hair, it was perfectly moisturizing to get your hair clean while not stripping it, and I feel like it would be suitable for any hair type, no matter if you are more dry, if you are more oily. I feel like this would be a great day-to-day shampoo. Depending on how dry you are, I personally went in with this 2 to 3 times a week and it was perfect for me. If you do have more oily hair, you may prefer to go in with this just as a moisturizing daily shampoo and then go in with a deep clarifying shampoo every once in a while. The product I feel like was the most educational for me with my personal hair type and had me learn that I was more on the dry side was the conditioner. A lot of reviews that I was seeing of this product was saying that it was a really nourishing conditioner, and I found that to be true, but I didn't find it to be too much for my hair type, which kind of told me that I do have more dry hair than I thought. This rich conditioner was amazing to keep my hair super soft and control the frizz that I would get whenever my hair gets too dry. Another thing I struggle with is really frizzy hair, and I was editing a video today and I took a screenshot of how my hair was looking before just so you can get an accurate picture of how it looks now. And by the way, I woke up like this. I have not done anything to my hair. This is just how I woke up. This product has completely transformed my hair, and I feel like the conditioner has really elevated that experience. I only use this conditioner whenever I was shampooing my hair. Before I switched over to this line, I would use conditioner every other day and then wash every fourth day. But with this conditioner, I found it provided lasting moisture that made me not have to reapply conditioner as often. I feel like in the future, I may try out their other conditioner to see if it would be better for a daily use. But right now, this routine is working for me, so I am only using this product whenever I shampoo my hair. And then it seems to be providing a lasting moisturization that also gives my hair such a soft feeling between washes, and I don't have to use a daily conditioner. Additionally, I didn't find myself having to go through this very quickly. I just scoop out just a little bit and it is perfect to go all in my hair. I start from the root and just pull it out. And it is just such a beautiful conditioner. I personally only leave it in for 2 to 5 minutes, just depending on how much time I have. I've really started to take pride in my hair care routine, and this collection has helped me with that. The conditioner was very moisturizing, but I didn't find it was too much for my hair type. And I feel like if you are more on the dry or curly side, you may prefer this conditioner. I didn't find it was too moisturizing for me at least, but if you have more oily hair, I would recommend just going for their regular conditioner. Now I want to talk about the product that was my favorite from the entire line, which is their curling cream. About 3 months ago, I started to get into curling creams, and I found some drugstore options that I love, but this one is my all-time favorite. First of all, with some curling products, I've seen it deliver a crunchy feeling to the hair. This is very moisturizing and nourishing. At first, when I was using it, it took some time to get used to. It would leave a very moisturizing finish. When I first used it, I wasn't sure if it was going to dry out nice because it was leaving a little bit of a moisturizing film on the hair. So I applied this product onto damp hair, and then I blow dried my hair, and it was so beautiful. The transformation of my hair having a little bit of a film when it being damp to just this beautiful, soft, and moisturized finish to the hair is my favorite part about this entire collection. What I personally do to maximize the curls that I get with this product is I use a diffuser with my hair dryer, and then I try not to touch my hair as much as possible to let the curls develop and just kind of hold the hair dryer in spots. And then I start trying to scrunch and curl up my hair, and that worked perfect with this product. Additionally, I was outside in 98-degree heat the other day for, I would say, about 5 hours. I applied a little bit more of this product, and it protected my hair from frizzing up. It was a really protectant product for my curls, and I really love this product so much. This is, in my opinion, the standout from the entire line, but all of these products worked really beautiful for me. You're getting my first and raw reaction to the first time that I used these hair products. These products, wow. I don't know if you can tell. I'm noticing a huge difference in the first time that I used this. So I used shampoo, conditioner for about 2 minutes. I've kind of learned that's the sweet spot with conditioner for me. And I also used the curling cream. I have seen the results. Like, my hair, before I started using this yesterday, it was not this. It was Definitely a little bit more frizzy. I've noticed that with other conditioners and shampoos that I've used that are more designed for curly hair. This left my hair very moisturized, and the rich conditioner worked amazing as well. Sometimes with my personal hair type, if it says rich conditioning, I will lose the volume or it won't work to nourish my curls. Now, I've only used it this one time. It didn't leave any finish on my hair. It was very soft, very hydrated, but yet not too much. It didn't leave any film. It was just such a perfect balanced product in my opinion. As someone with curly hair, I really personally found that it worked amazing for my hair type. Now, I did notice my hair still smelled very strong of the fragrance, but it wasn't suffocating. It's just something that I notice every once in a while and I'm like, oh, I smell good. I smell really good. This is the best smelling hair product. It reminds me of something I used to use as a child. I have been growing out my hair, and with other hair products I've been using, it has been making it a little bit more frizzy. I have a little bit of it's shorter now, but I have a little bit of a mullet going. And so whenever I would use products before, it would either flatten my hair and be a little bit too moisturizing, if that makes sense, for my hair type at least. I found that this one was the perfect balance. And I have found that the sweet spot with conditioner is 2 minutes, but definitely go off of your hair type. I'm only able to speak for my personal hair. I love that Rihanna incorporated so many amazing nourishing ingredients in all of her products that are universal. So you are getting a nourishing finish to the hair that is supposed to help rebuild your hair strength when you use all of these products. I personally love the entire routine and it worked amazing for me. My current routine is washing my hair every 2 to 4 days, just kind of depends on what I'm doing. I condition with the Richer One conditioner whenever I wash my hair with the shampoo, and then I use the curling cream every day on damp hair, and it has worked amazing for me. Additionally, you can touch up with the curling cream on dry hair. I did personally prefer to go in just on damp hair, and it was enough to last me throughout the entire day. And I also noticed that when incorporating this entire collection into my routine, I was having to use less products like hairspray. I would used to use a fiber cream to try to give me some depth and definition, and I would also use a sea salt mist to volumize my hair. But with this routine, it was the perfect balance for my hair that really enhanced my curls, gave me volume, and was very balancing while also nourishing and moisturizing my hair. And though these products are a little bit more expensive, I'm finding myself not going through them very quickly. I only use about 2 to 3 pumps of the shampoo. I just scoop out a little bit of the conditioner and also the curling cream. I'll use more of the curling cream if I'm planning on being out in the heat, but overall I am spending less money on other products for my hair, so I do feel like they are worth it personally for me. Additionally, the fragrance of this hair care line is amazing. This is some of the best smelling hair care products that I have tried, and all of these products have that exact same smell to it. Additionally, I didn't experience any new acne or any clogged pores from this hair collection. I was worried specifically in my forehead because I think the curling cream may have coconut oil in it. Not personally a problem with me. I am very careful since I am acne prone and wash my hands in between using any hair care and face care products, but still that is not something that I personally experience with this product. And since there is fragrance in this hair care line, if you are sensitive to that, just be mindful of it. Please let me know anything else you want to know about this hair care collection. I try to be as in-depth as possible, but this is my first hair video, and so I'm not sure what everyone is looking for with hair products. So please let me know in the comments if you want to know anything else and what you would like to see with hair care in the future. Overall, I would recommend all 3 of these products, and depending on your hair type, depends on what products I would recommend from Fenty Hair. They have released so many different treatments for all hair types, so I was so excited to try out these. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.